prisoner be. My trade is prisoners to set free. No slave his lord's commands obeys with such insinuating ways. My genius piercing, sharp and bright, wherein the men of wit delight. The clergy keep me for their ease, and turn and wink me as they please. A new and wondrous art I show, of raising spirits from below. In scarlet some and some in white, they rise, walk around, yet never fright. In at each mouth the spirits pass, distinctly seen as through a glass. O'er head and body they go out, and drive at last all secrets out. And still the more I show my art, the more they open every heart. A greater chemist none than I, who from materials hard and dry have taught man to extract with skill more precious juice than from a still. Although I'm often out of case, I'm not ashamed to show my face. I near the sideboard take my seat, yet the plain squire, when dinner's done, is never pleased till I make one.